Gee, I wonder what's inside the box. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I am unboxing my VS4-10 Origin Limited from Vanquish. So I'm going to use a Spectrum DX5R radio. So I picked up the PM SR6000T. It's a 6-channel receiver, and it also comes with some telemetry. It's got a temperature and it's got a volt monitor. To steer everything, I picked up a Savox 1210. This is a waterproof servo, and it's got plenty of torque and power. Picked up a 25 tooth Vanquish Products aluminum servo horn. And to power everything, I got the Mamba X ESC, and I picked up a 2850 kV slate motor. And one extra accessory I picked up was the axial NVS light system. So I'll see how that goes. I think I saw where the front headlights may be 10mm, and these are 5mm, so we'll see if I use this or not, but definitely want to get lights into this thing. So getting into the VS4-10 box, pictures on the outside look great. Got the molded fender wells, got the interior accessories, as well as the radiator, light buckets. I love the fact that the interior is included with this kit. And some details on the side just shows you what you're going to need, but I think I have everything I need, so I'm in good shape there. And the back of the box has some really good detail about the chassis, and a shot of the drive shaft and the offset front pumpkin. Alright, so I'm going to cut the factory seal and get into this thing. Man, that is cool. Everything is laid out, packed real nice. The components just look great in person. Yeah, it feels really nice. Good weight on the bumpers. Everything is just so nice. So underneath the aluminum parts, there are the stickers and the instructions. Got the fenders. These will need to be painted up, but they are pre-cut, which I definitely appreciate. These are the new Vanquish VXT tires, and they feel pretty good. They're sticky. They feel like a good compound, so looking forward to trying these out. And the SUV style body kind of looks like a Bronco, but it's really cool. It's pre-cut. Again, I definitely appreciate that. And I'm gonna have to figure out what to do as far as color. I'm trying to figure out what colors I want to paint this, but definitely like the way the body looks. And then underneath, all the bags, and there are a lot of bags. This one here has the interior, which is a one-piece, so that's going to be fun to paint up. And just all the parts. Here are the incision shocks. I just actually put these on my SEX10 too, and I do like these, so I'm pretty happy the kit includes them. And in the back there was actually another bag with some more little bags. Plenty of parts. Checking out some of the build videos that Harley Designs has on his channel. Looks pretty straightforward. I did pick up some MIP standard drivers, because it looks like I at least need a 1/16 when I get into the pumpkin for those little screws. Alright guys, so that's about it. I'm going to be putting this together as I can. I will definitely make sure to post it and give my honest feedback. But so far so good, just from a opening the box and looking at the parts. Definitely looks really cool. I'm thinking I got the Cadillac of RC cars here. I don't know, is Cadillac still a good thing? I don't know. Anyway, if you liked the video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day guys, and I'll see you soon. Take care.